At least one person was reportedly killed in a shooting incident involving the police in SpanishTown in St. Catherine on Thursday morning. Observers online understand that the deceased was a person of interest. Reports are that at least one illegal firearm was also seized in the incident, which happened at approximately 4 a.m. More details to come. An alleged gunman was this morning fatally shot in a reported confrontation with the police in Ellerslie Pen, SpanishTown, St. Catherine. The police say 3 guns were seized at the premises. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Sonman McFarlane alias Max, a laborer of Ellerslie Avenue in the community. The police report that personnel from the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Division, armed with a warrant, swooped down on Ellerslie Avenue in SpanishTown in search of McFarlane. According to the police, while the house door was being breached, it swung open and a woman approached the team, during which time McFarlane was seen on a bed pointing a firearm at the cops. The police say the cops opened gunfire at McFarlane, who fell, and the firearm was retrieved. The injured man was assisted to SpanishTown Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. The police say the room was searched and 2 additional firearms were found, one under the mattress and the other under the bed. 29-year-old Ricardo Rooms, a chef of Rose Heights, St. James, was charged with murder in connection with the death of his uncle on Boxing Day. Rooms was charged with the murder of 55-year-old Bentley Vaughns, a mason of the same address as the accused. Reports from the Montego Bay police are that about 2 a.m., Rooms had an altercation with a woman when Vaughns intervened. A dispute developed between Rooms and Vaughns when Rooms reportedly pulled a knife and stabbed the now deceased on his hand. It is alleged that Vaughns was assisted inside his home when Rooms kicked off the door and attacked him with the weapon. Vaughns was reportedly stabbed several times to the left side of his chest. The police were summoned and Vaughns was taken to hospital, where he was pronounced dead. Rooms was taken into custody and charged after a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. A court date for him is being finalized for the accused, the police said.